Getting your heart broken might leave you broke. People say relationships demand big bucks. But you know what's more expensive? The emotional EMI called breakup. Okay, let's think about it. Anniversaries, dinner dates, cute gifts, weekend getaways. Yes, those and more added up. But breakups are where your heart and your bank balance both go in a breakdown phase. And trust me, neither leaves quickly. Let's decode the real cost of a breakup. And I don't mean just emotionally, I mean financially too. The immediate fallout. Not just broken hearts, but broken budgets. First comes the logistical chaos. If you live together, who moves out? Who keeps what? That lovely couch that you picked out together. Now you are on OLX at 2 am looking for a beanbag to seek comfort. Moving expenses, new furniture, and of course, you let them keep the TV because you are the bigger person. Bigger person, bigger loss. And then begins the spending to feel something phase. New clothes or dramatic haircut, maybe a tattoo that screams healed, but still itches. Retail therapy isn't a joke. It's a coping mechanism with a huge price tag. Did you know? Emotional spenders spend up to 3 times more during periods of high stress, especially post-breakup. The social spiral. Emotional recovery equals financial depletion. Your friends, they mean well when they say, let's get your mind off it. But the translation, let's burn money on weekends. Cocktails cost more than your phone bill. 2 am food delivery? Let's go. It's a one-time thing. You tell yourself. Every weekend is now a treat yourself weekend. But you're not tracking how much you're spending, but how numb you feel. This isn't socializing. It's emotional outsourcing on a budget that doesn't exist. The rebuild. The price of reinventing yourself. Once the initial storm comes the identity overhaul. You want to start fresh, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Gym memberships cost 2,000 to 5,000 rupees per month. Therapy apps, journaling apps, meditation, sab kharid liya. You are literally subscribed to 6 apps and use only one, and that too occasionally. And reinvention, it's a lifestyle with hidden charges. Here's a finance fact for you. India's wellness and self-care industry is expected to cross 2 trillion rupees by 2025. Guess when people contribute to it the most? During transitions, like breakups, the productivity dip. When breakups cost you more than money. And here's a silent killer. Emotional burnout hits your income too. Work slows down. You procrastinate more. Miss work because your brain is just foggy. The cost? Lost income, missed opportunities, and worst of all, the emotional guilt that follows. Breakups don't just cost you what you spend. They also cost you your passion to build your career. The big life changes. Also known as financial detours in disguise. Some people move cities, some quit jobs, some take sabbaticals. And while all of that can be empowering, it's often reactive. When done without a plan, it can derail years of financial progress. No passive income setup, no plan B. Suddenly, you're not just heartbroken, you are also broke. The wrap up. What we never budget for. Here's the truth. We create budget plans for birthdays, vacations, anniversaries, and even weddings. But nobody budgets for heartbreak. Maybe we should. Because love has a soft cost. But heartbreak, it can be a full-blown financial downfall. From short-term splurges to long-term lifestyle resets, breakups hit harder than most people expect. Love or heartbreak may not be in your control, but financial planning is. And this is where your SIP could act as a rebound. Why? Because SIPs do not demand commitment with pressure. They offer the assurance of peace. And most importantly, it's on your terms. Make your finances emotion-proof. Whether you just got in a relationship or out of one, you need a money system that doesn't crash when you do. Let your healing be empowering, not expensive. If you like this video, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ABCD of Money for more such content. Download the ABCD app to simplify your finances.